Okay.
We'll say first.
Yeah, hi, this is Varun this side from VMware. I'm part of the strategic team at VMware side. So it was a good event. I think we got a great opportunity to connect with a lot of customers today and it was fun.
Hey, hi, I'm Aarti Govekaar, and I'm part of the corporate team. I look after the manufacturing unit, especially pharmaceuticals and manufacturing plants. It was a very good event. We made a lot of good connects with many of the customers and hope to get some business out of
Yeah,
this
that's the end goal.
whole event. So, thank you, team. Thank you so much.
I think from a one-on-one meeting, we get opportunities during the breaks. I think we did discuss a lot on the open, on the areas of interest where they had around, especially on the Industry 4.0 initiative. So that was a good thing.
So not only the one-on-one meetings during the break, but I think we had one-on-one meetings throughout. We didn't have time to interact with any other booths also. So we were just talking
Yeah.
on and on and on, and it was just till the last moment. So thank
Yeah.
you so much once again.
Yeah, thank you.
And what was your